Over the next 16 minutes, I'm gonna give you a tour of 4 homes inside one of my most favorite Boca Raton communities. Come with me. Welcome to Boca Golf and Tennis, a community in Boca Raton, Florida, with so much to offer. You have condos and townhouses and villas and single family homes all in one community. Prices are starting at $400,000, going all the way up to $800,000. I want you to take a look from some drone shots and then we'll get deeper. All right, so kicking it off at the first property inside Boca Golf and Tennis, I brought you back over here. This home is listed for $400,000. I'm gonna show you 3 other homes and then stick with me until the end because I'm gonna take you inside my client's home, which we fully remodeled, and you'll be able to see the before and after. But before we get to that, let's look at this house right over here. All right, so we're here now in the digital world, and lucky for us, this home has a Matterport tour, which allows us to move around this way in a digital world. So this unit is at the end of the street. This is our unit we're going to be viewing, 1407. Now, it's important to note that this garage is actually a detached garage. You can see it better by the neighbor right over here. You see their doors on the side, so you actually park the garage, you come out of this door, and then up the steps. Well, you would be out of the door here, up these steps, and then you would be in the foyer. This is the foyer right here, just a little area. There's a little window here, up this short little flight of steps, and then we're in the hallway. Washer and dryer are right here. Pop into the dining room, see vaulted ceilings. It is all carpeted unit. You have another window here. Yes, there's mirrors here. Important. I like it when I see these type of walls that are not attached to the ceiling because these make it really easy to kind of open it all up. I've seen cases where they bring this island out a little bit more, or the island over on this side. We'll take a look in the garage, in the kitchen in just a second. Let's pop over here into the living room and then the balcony. Look at this area. I love this. This is a direct west view, golf course, water view, trees. People have put impact windows here, and then fully enclose this area. This is a slider into the primary bedroom. They'll leave that, but many times they'll actually remove all of this and carry the flooring from in there to out here and make it all a unified space. Then you also have this window here. Sometimes people leave this one or take that one down. Let's pop into the breakfast nook area. Here we are. This is the kitchen, breakfast nook. We were just out here. Stainless steel appliances. This is tile here in the kitchen, granite countertops, and not much more to see here in this kitchen. So let's come back into the living room and make our way down the hallway to the bedrooms. So there's bedroom 1, bedroom 2 is over there. And then over here is the primary bedroom. Let's take a look at the primary. This is the walk-in closet. Only one closet. It's big. Primary bathroom. Very yellow. Standard old tile. But it's a good space, right? So we have a little makeup corner here, dual sinks, large shower. I love it when we have windows in the bathrooms. Not every place has a window in the bathroom. Let's pop back out here to the primary bedroom and primary bedroom. And we have lots of windows on either side of the bed, big window here facing west. And then that out there is to the patio. Let's go back into this hallway and make our way down here. Sorry, this was actually, I got confused. I got units confused. This over here is actually the washer and dryer. The one by the entryway is just a linen coat closet. So there right here was your other bathroom. Here's bedroom 2, and here's bedroom 3. Not much to see there. And that about wraps up this unit. Let's make our way back in here. Take a look from another angle. But we got a lot to see, so let's jump out of here and head to the next location. All right, so now I brought you over to the condo section where I'm gonna take you into a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo overlooking the water and the golf course, 2,000 square feet. Let's jump in and check it out. All right, I'm really spoiling you guys because we have another Matterport tour. This does not happen often, but lucky for us, we got another tour. And I started off on this second floor condo with this beautiful golf course and lake view. Check this out. This is a wraparound balcony that they have fully enclosed with windows. Look at this space. Beautiful views. And let's take a look into the living room. So this is the living room. You got more mirrors there. One bedroom off this way. Now, interesting about this space, they're calling this the family room. However, if you pop into the family room and then spin it around, you see a door here, right? And then if we come out into the living room, and if we make our way, where were we? Right over here. Let's go to this hallway and then spin around over here. There's a door, right? So if we were out here in the living room, you would close this off right here, build a wall, and then this over here where this wet bar is, that's actually your closet. And then you come in the door over here, and this becomes a third bedroom because like I said, this thing is a 2,000 square foot condo, right? You don't find these things. That's why it is the price what it is. But we're not done. Let's jump over in here to the dining area and then into the kitchen because this is a flow through model because you have windows almost everywhere. So this is your kitchen, huge kitchen, right? Big, huge island here in the middle. We make our way around. You have this little office over here that they created. We go in here. Look at this. Look at this cute little space. So, I mean, this is a 3-bedroom with this cool little office. This was another balcony that they just enclosed it. And now you have a whole nother den. So it's like a 3-bedroom with a den, 2,000 square foot, right in the heart of Boca Raton. The appliances are great. We can handle these countertops. Let's come in here and let's go down the hallway. This would be the entryway over here. Okay, there is a half bath right here. If I can spin over here, there's your half bath. All right, let's make our way over to this other side over here. And jump over here and let's go down to this bedroom. You see, so this is that wall that they closed off and they made that other den space. Interesting, right? They got creative. I'll give it to them. Let's jump back out here into the living area and let's come down through this door right here and into the primary. All right, so in the primary suite, 2 windows in there, just a very clean, large space. And then as we pop in over here, oops, shoot, there we go. So you have area to do a big jacuzzi tub here. You know, you could flip it. Maybe you make the big shower here and you put a tub, soaker tub over here. Just because people use showers more and they want, you know, not to feel so closed off in a box. I would do that. Dual sinks. Closet A and closet B over here. And that about wraps up this 2,000 square foot. This is 2,047 condo right in the heart of Boca. So we got plenty more to see, 2 more to be exact. So let's jump out of here and head over to the next unit. Okay, now we're in the single family home section. I'm gonna take you to a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home on the golf course listed for $775. Let's jump in and take a look. All right, here we are. Now we are finally looking at a single family home still inside the Boca Golf and Tennis community. The first one we looked at was a villa slash townhouse. The second one was a condo, and now a single family home. We're looking at all different prices now. This is a $750,000 single family home. This one does not have a Matterport tour, so we're going to look at photos. So large open concept here in the middle. Well, I couldn't really say it's an open concept because the kitchen is over here off to the side, but we'll get to that. Let's see if we can understand the floor plan. This was the front door, main living area. This is actually facing east. Okay, these windows here face east and they face out to a golf course. That's very, very important to remember that your backyard faces a golf course. That adds to the price. But like I may have mentioned, is that you're not paying to live on the golf course because the city owns the golf course. So here we go, living space, kitchen. I couldn't tell if those were mirrors. I almost thought those were mirrors, but it looks like this is a seating area. That's really weird. I think these are mirrors. And the kitchen's here, so I don't know why this is here. Hopefully they'll shed some insight to that. Okay, a lot of the same space. Ah, okay. Wet bar. Yeah. Man, I would just bring the kitchen into this, like redo this. Like, yeah. It's just a shame because the kitchen's nice. Look at these. We're gonna get in there. Yeah, wet bars. Curious again to hear your thoughts. Gray cabinets. I like the color of these. I personally like them, but I want to hear from you. Do you like the color of these cabinets? Stainless steel appliances. This is an upgraded range here. Okay. Nice kitchen, but it is closed off. And this is interesting that they put the microwave over here to give the whole range hood here. I like that idea. Okay, a lot of the kitchen. Now we're making our way over in here. Oh, more kitchen. Ah, the laundry's in the kitchen. Okay, and that little breakfast nook. Okay, so they did a luxury vinyl in the bedrooms. Okay, nice. Wow, that's a big shower. And they didn't put any glass. They're just leaving it all open. Interesting. Ah, so it goes, okay. Wood floors here or laminates here. Vinyls. Okay, cool. How do you feel about windows like this? Obviously, there's a blind here and you can close this, but some people just knowing that there's a window there kind of freaks them out. Doesn't bother me. And that's the other bedroom. Okay, so tile goes into there, but flooring into here. Pretty sure this is a vinyl. Okay, here's your back patio. So they enclosed this whole area. I really don't think this is necessary for this size of a home. I wouldn't have enclosed it. I would just leave it a covered outdoor space. Yeah, see here. Okay. There's another little patio out the kitchen. Front door kind of wraps around the side. Here's a little path to your secret garden in the back. All right. Yep, that concludes our tour. But we're not done. We got one more home to jump into. So let's head that way. All right, 3 down, 1 to go. This is what you've been waiting for. We want to take you inside and show you the full transformation before and after in this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, just over 1,600 square feet. Let's go inside, but show you the before shots. There is so much that we did in this space, but I want to talk about 5 key things that we did, starting off with the floors and the stairs. All new luxury plank floors. The homeowner absolutely loves the scratch resistance and how easy they are to clean. Check them out. All right, second thing is this kitchen. Everything was redone, highlighting first off this amazing countertop with the waterfall. We added tons of lighting in here to brighten the space up, pendant lights. And then last but not least, for my coffee lovers, you're gonna love this little breakfast nook area. We built into the garage to create this custom little corner with under counter lighting. Point number 3, the impact windows. All new impact windows throughout the whole entire house, including that big one up there. I like to call it HD vision now out of these windows. All right, the fourth thing that I want to highlight is this luxurious primary bathroom. Inside here, all new cabinets, awesome LED mirrors, of course, a freestanding soaker tub, and a luxurious large shower. And the fifth and final thing that I want to highlight is these walls. We actually skim coated all the walls and the ceiling to take away from the knockdown texture because this client wanted sleek and smooth design. So I got a question for you. Are you sick and tired of looking at ugly, outdated homes in need of substantial renovation? Then maybe it's time to work with a realtor like myself that will help you take something from average to amazing. Because as you saw with this property right here, I stick through the whole entire process to make sure that the remodel goes through smoothly. I go by the name Just Josh Grant. I'm your best friend that you didn't even know you had. And I'm here to be your full service concierge realtor.